Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your bubbles to chat heads on Messenger, so let's get right into it. Now, what those two are basically the same thing. For example, if I take this chat right here, tap it and hold it and show it as bubble, this is exactly what happens, and these are chat bubbles. These are basically just small icons that appear on your screen and overlay over different apps, which allow you to chat while you're in another app. It basically allows Messenger to, well, display over any other program that's currently happening on your screen, and it is very useful if you just want to answer somebody on the fly without actually dragging down the actual notification bar and everything like that. Now, these are now known as bubbles. Previously, they were known as chat heads, and there is one difference with bubbles. As you can see, if I go here and tap on the plus, it only uses recent bubbles or recent chats. It does not use your entire contact list, which was a very big plus back when chat heads were a thing. However, chat heads were removed, I think, about a year or two ago. I forgot exactly when, but they were a security risk, since actually enabling chat heads did pose a, well, risk, and it gave people an opportunity to infiltrate your system and show anything well, on top of your screen while you were doing something else. It could be fraudulent ads or any fake things on your phone, etc., etc. And now if I go into my options by going to the menu, tapping on the gear, as you can see, I can only turn on or turn off bubbles, and that is pretty much the only option that you have. If you want to keep the bubbles turned on, what you want to do is go to your system and make sure display over okay. It seems to have changed, but you do need to give Messenger permissions to show over other apps. If you do want chat heads back, since they were very cool at the time and they were, well, more easy to use or easier to use, you can do it still. However, you will need to uninstall Messenger yourself, and then you will need to go to the internet and find an APK, which is a package file which installs apps to your system or any other sort of format. If you're on iOS, I don't know what the format for that is. But you want to find an installer for Facebook Messenger version 266 or before. These are the versions that had the chat heads, and after that the chat heads were removed for the bubbles. And yeah, all you have to do is just find that and install it. Make sure it is a safe and secure file. Make sure to scan it for any viruses or any other malware, and once you install it, you should be good to go. It should connect to your application flawlessly or to your phone flawlessly. And make sure to turn off automatic updates for Messenger, since it will update your application if you don't turn it off, and then you'll be back at the newest version, and then you'll have bubbles again, etc., etc. But in essence, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.